Ready to report your assessment data, you will go into either Blackboard or the email which has been sent to you with that semester's reporting form. That Excel document may need to be enabled, so if it is protected view, you'll enable editing, and then you'll use the drop-down menu to find your class. Once you've clicked on your class, you'll be presented with other drop-down menus that will give you the opportunity to put your section number and you'll input your name. Once you've done that, you're going to have a form that looks something like this. Now, in order to put your results into this form, you're going to want to move all the way over to the right-hand side menu. Your outcomes are going to be specific for that class and that semester if you've made changes. You may have 2 outcomes, you may have 10 outcomes, but you will know exactly what it is you're measuring and how you're measuring it. Perhaps it's an exam or a rubric for a qualitative assignment. But your standards and criteria is where you're going to be inputting those results. So these little yellow boxes here on the right-hand side, that's where you're going to put those results. So if I have 6 students who have exceeded my standards, then I'll put the number 6 in that box, and then I'll just use the arrow key and move down. If I had 4 students who met the standard, I'll put a 4 and again move the arrow down. And as you can see, what's happening is I'm getting percentages. So I'll continue to put numbers in, and that will give me the percentages of my students for each of those standards and for each of my outcomes. And I'll continue to do this for all of my outcomes. When I'm done with the numbers, I'm going to go down to the action plan, and I'm going to write a few sentences about whether past actions have proven successful or if you need to implement any changes as a result of your assessment data for that particular semester. When you're done with this, you'll want to save the document using the format which has been provided to you, again, either in Blackboard or in the email, and you will send that document to Diana Smith in the Office of Institutional Research. You'll also want to save a copy of that document for your own files.